we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Nespresso Gran Lattissima. Both automatic, seems like. But they look really different.
Yeah, definitely different approaches. The Magnifica Evo is a bean-to-cup machine, right? It's got that built-in grinder.
Exactly. A conical burr grinder with 13 settings. That's pretty specific. And it makes espresso, coffee, Americano, even iced coffee. Seems versatile.
The Lattissima, on the other hand, is Nespresso, so it's all about the pods. No grinding involved. Quick and easy, but you're stuck with their capsule selection.
True, the pod thing is a commitment. But the Lattissima, it says it has a milk frother.
Yep, it does. And from what I hear, people really like the frothed milk it makes, though some say it's not super hot.
That's a point. The Magnifica Evo has a traditional milk frother, so you're in control of the texture, I guess. But it's probably more work.
Definitely more hands-on. The Magnifica Evo seems geared towards someone who enjoys the process, while the Lattissima is all about convenience.
What about cleaning? That's a big factor for me.
The Magnifica Evo boasts dishwasher-safe parts, which is a plus. The Lattissima, from what I've read in customer reviews, is easy to clean too, especially the milk container.
Okay, good to know. And size? The Magnifica Evo sounds kind of big, 20.8 pounds and almost 18 inches deep.
Yeah, the Lattissima doesn't list dimensions, but it looks smaller and sleeker in the picture. Probably lighter too.
One last thing. This Magnifica Evo is renewed, which is a used product, but the Lattissima is new.
That's a big difference. You'd have to factor in the potential risks. And it's currently unavailable anyway.
Okay, that makes my decision easier. I think I'll pass on the Magnifica Evo this time. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.